Hello everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on Bumble. Keep watching the video till the end in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you've signed up for Bumble with a phone number, then when you went through the sign-up process, they'll ask you to enter your birthday information. Once you've put that information there, you cannot change it by yourself later on. However, you can send a message to Bumble and ask them to change your age. Visit the Bumble support page on your web browser. Let me click open a web browser first and type in Bumble support. From the search result, click on the first link that you see. On the next tab, you'll be able to open up Bumble support. Go to Help Center from this page. Now type in your problem here in the text box. I'm going to type in change my age and search. Now you'll be able to see that from the search result there's a link that says my age is wrong on my profile, how can I fix it? Click it on and you can click on this link right here. On the new tab, you'll need to go ahead and fill in this information. Pick one of the most suitable subjects for your problem from the list below and type in your name in the text box. Type in your email address. Make sure to type in a valid one and go and select the mode that you are using for Bumble. Choose the platform you're using and then type in your problem in a detailed manner. Now, once you type in your problem, attach a screenshot, if available, of your correct date information. You can attach your citizenship number or your license or any other information that you can find that will help in identify your correct date of birth information. Now, after you're done, click on Send Message, and when finished, Bumble support will send you an email for further instructions of confirmation that your birth date is updated. If you don't want to do this, and if you'd like to find another way to change your age, the only thing you can do is to go to bumble.com and sign into your Bumble account first. Once you're logged in, you can go to your profile picture at the top left and click it on. Now, click on Settings and scroll all the way down and simply delete your account. Confirm your deletion by clicking on Delete Account, and once you've deleted your account, you can start off by signing up for a new account, but this time, make sure to type in the correct date of birth information. Those were how you could change your age on Bumble. If the video was helpful to you, you can go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.